Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So guys, we have another special episode today because I was invited to attend the BYS Fashion Week. So we are going to watch two fashion shows together, guys. Also, I'm going to feature more street style and we'll be focusing more on luxury bags. So we have lots of adventure for today. So hope you enjoy our episode for today. Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon somewhere here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Premiere52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Guys, so as usual, we have to start with OOTD or my outfit of the day. So guys, 100% I am wearing Maison Ramiro. I've designed this one. So for my top, this is a lace top that I hand embellished with flowers. Then of course, I have my Kenzo belt. And then for pants, this one is also, I designed this one. I'm wearing my Stella McCartney platform shoes. I have my Chanel earrings, can you see? And of course guys, I'm sure you have seen the unboxing. So this is her first time to go out. I'm wearing my, OMG, she's so beautiful. I'm wearing my Fendi beaded baguette. Yay, oh my god. So guys, what do you think of my outfit for today? Alright guys, so let's do bag of the day. So guys, I'm so excited. This is the first time, the baby's first day out. I'm wearing my vintage beaded Fendi baguette. Oh my god, she's so beautiful guys. So anyway, so what am I carrying with me for today's event? So firstly guys, I have my phone. So this is just a substitute phone. My other phone is still charging. Then of course, I have my Chanel pouch. With my Chanel pouch guys, you know I'm carrying everything here. My face cream, lip gloss, all of that. And this is also where I'm going to insert the charging cable. Of course, I have my YSL card holder and I have my power bank over here. What else? I have a fan. Then I have my coin purse here by, oh sorry, it's not focusing, Emmanuel Ongaro Paris. So that's what I'm carrying. Do I still have anything? So that's it. So those are the things that I'm carrying for me. So hope you enjoy our episode for today. Hi guys, so we have already arrived here at BYS Fashion Week. So hopefully I could feature some street style here and hopefully you enjoy the fashion show today. Tell me who you're wearing.
I can't hear you right.
Who are you wearing?
Who am I wearing? I'm wearing KAYE Morales and Fendi.
I love your shoes. It's Fendi. And how about your bag? Can you tell me more about your bag?
Oh, my bag. Of course, you have to have a peekaboo at all occasions, right?
Sister.
So if I can be gray or I can be in black.
Oh yeah, love it. Thank you, friend. Love your style. Who are you wearing?
What?
Who's the designer?
The design.
Sarah.
Love your lyrics. Wow.
Thank you.
Who are you wearing? Who's the designer?
Can you check because I don't remember.
Your bag is Gucci and your shoes is Balenciaga. Congratulations. Love it. Turn around.
Ngayon, tara.
Who are you wearing?
My jacket is undercover. It's this skirt.
I love your bag.
My bag, I can't remember. But it's local.
Love it. Always love your style. Thank you. Who are you wearing?
I am wearing Dolce & Gabbana monster shoes and Balenciaga.
Can you tell me more about your bag?
This is our glass. This is our runway piece. And it pretty much can only fit your cards, your lipstick.
Thank you. You look amazing.
designer is from Dandrat Mateo, and my bag is from Lerch Tere. Hi, Lerch. Thank you.
Love it. Can I see your bag? I love the patchwork of your bag. Love it. Thank you. So guys, we are already inside the runway. So we're still checking where we are seated. So someone's already assisting us. But anyway, we are waiting for the show to start. Good luck, Kay!
BYS FASHION 10th anniversary, and you play here in all your social media postings. Tag BYS
So guys, thankfully I'm already seated. So we're just going to wait for the show to start. We have some goodie bags over here. We're going to unbox later. So I have my seatmates here with me. Frank, hi! Enjoy the show!
Double Gautier, and my shoes are Yohji Yamamoto.
Thank you. You look amazing. This is Bonita. This is Bonita.
Yes, Bonita!
Love it. What are you wearing?
This one is from Mark's Tennis. This one is Street. And Forever 21. And your side bars open. Sunnies.
Thank you. You look amazing. See ya. Hi guys. So it's end of day. So let's just do a little bit of unboxing. So we got this goodie bag from BYS Fashion Week for people at front row. Thank you again, BYS, and to my dear friend KAYE Morales for inviting me. So what do we have here? So this is the BYS Fashion Week here. They have the QR codes. And then BYS, guys, is like a line of makeup here in the Philippines. I'm not sure if they're you could purchase this abroad. So Malibu Barbie. I'm not really sure what this is. So face mask pods. Okay, so I think this is, you're going to put your face mask here and insert it in your bag. So hopefully I'm correct on that one. So that's nice. I really like it. And then we have a Barbie hydrating wipes coconut water. So this is good for removing my makeup. Really nice. I like it too. And last but not the least, if I'm not mistaken, so we have BYS lip oil. Wow, super nice. Ooh, but are you seeing the logo, guys? This is real. But anyway, guys, thank you so much. So thank you so much for this very beautiful giveaway. Yay! Hi guys, I forgot to film an outro. So we have just finished the 2 fashion shows. So congratulations to the designers, my friend KAYE Morales and Just Bonita. Both are really fabulous. So guys, let me know what your thoughts regarding our episode for today. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming for you. A million thank you guys for staying with me in this very exciting episode for today. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!